Hey, Dream Team. All right, today is a big day, and it's a big day for a couple reasons. One, I'm going to Aurora. We're gonna hopefully nail down an apartment finally. We are about a month out, maybe less than a month out. And then number two is I left my 360 camera in Jaden's backpack after the big hike. But here's the rub. So Jaden gets to work around 9. I'm gonna try, well, I will be there by 9. But first showing that I have to go to is at 10:30. Aurora, and that showing is about, Google Maps says, an hour and 18 minutes away. I'm gonna be cutting it close. It's not a great look at all if you show up late. Here, and now it's time to get my camera. He saved the day. You saved the day. You saved the day today, Jaden. Every day, Jay saves the day.
Every day.
Thanks, Jaden.
Yeah.
You forgot it, didn't you?
Nope.
You forgot my camera. It's gone.
Nope.
You sold it?
Here it is.
$1,400 profit?
Yep. And I bought
Thanks,
you
dude.
a new one.
Thanks, bro. What a guy. Showing up early for me. Oh my gosh. All right. Onward. This ain't good. We're in traffic. Not great that we're, just chilling. We're flowing again. Here we go. Well, it is 9:51. I have 40 minutes to spare. Well, 39. Well, 38 now. But that was awesome. One thing I gotta do still is I'm gonna try and get a tour at a condo. It's a really, really nice condo. Sarah wasn't able to book a tour last night. It kept booting us out. So something makes me think maybe it's unavailable. This place is actually really, really fancy. Holy cow.
A few moments later.
Absolutely love this place. It's beautiful. The area is beautiful. The pricing is very nice. Number one on the day has been a huge success, so there's a lot of competition for the rest of the apartments today. Here we go. Okay. I am a sucker for the in and out. I don't know, guys. So I called, and then they didn't answer, and then they called me for the condo. The condo has a chance here. I think the location will still be cool. I don't know if it's gonna be as nice or whatever, but everything except for gas and electric is covered by the property management company. So that is awesome, which gives it a huge competitive edge. Plus it's cheaper, I think, than the first one that I just looked at. I think that about does it. But I have another showing here at 12:30, so I have a little less than an hour. That poses a choking hazard, particularly in small That second one did not go as well. It wasn't bad, but it was way too bougie, and it's one of those newer apartment buildings, and I don't know. I'm at another one right now. We're gonna hit that in 28 minutes, something like that. Oh, this one starts at 2. Gosh, I have an hour. All right, the third one wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It's a lot more doable, a lot more affordable. It's $1,200 something. I think it's $1,290. I will say it's not as well maintained or well kept as well. There are just different things. The door was a little busted. The windows looked a little messed up. So now we are actually at the condos. The only thing is this is a self-guided tour. Like I said, this one is a self-guided tour. So this one I can actually record. But holy moly. This is lovely. Look at all that room for coat racks. Hang a broom there. It smells kind of like fresh paint and carpet, but it smells so good. This is pretty bougie, but I think I told you guys, this one isn't it's not very expensive. I think it's $1,300 something, which, don't get me wrong, that's a lot of money. But look at that. There's tons of room. That is nice. That's super awesome. Tons of space. I could have my editing setup over there. This black counter looks great. I really like this navy blue. This fridge is kind of bougie. Dang! That's nuts. I really like this stove. It's a newer stove. Ugh. You cook a chicken, maybe half of a turkey in there. Dang. I love that. The utilities are included in this. I kind of feel like this is a no-brainer. This bedroom, pretty dang spacious. I love that you even have the natural lighting and whatnot. You can peek out and see who's at the door if you're scared. Oh, wow. That's crazy. Man, my mind is getting fried already. Decent counter space we got here. Oh, hello. Good storage. All right. Ooh, storage for like towels and stuff. And I do like, obviously it's a 1 bedroom, or a 1 bathroom. Gosh, I'm telling you my mind. I like that it's a 1 bathroom, but they don't have to like come through our bedroom. They can just, a guest can just, you know, walk in and do their thing. I really like it. It's super simple, lovely views. This is the 3rd floor. The park is right across the way. This is great. Dream team, this might be the one. Okay. I did one more tour after the condo and it wasn't great. We have decided we're gonna try and do